Yo, guess what? Found something very interesting. Lexus ES300 misfire. Melted the wires. Guess it was sitting on this boat. Melted both wires. Wow. Well, I'm glad I found it and fixed it. Good to go.